Welcome to this video on how to customize your intake forms. To customize intake forms, scroll down to where it says Forms, and you'll notice here Form Settings. And so intake forms are only sent to first-time clients, to new clients. That is, clients who are new to Appointment Hero. So if you want to send an intake form, say yes, and then go ahead and press Save. So once you create this form, it will be sent to new clients. So then click Add Intake Form, and you're going to notice a wizard here that says Details and Form Name. So the reason why you have to give the form a name is because you can send different forms for different services. So if you had like a massage versus a facial, so this is going to be a massage intake form. And so here I would select all of the massage services. And here's where you can write your consent and your policies. So now you would say cancellation. I can spell cancellation policy. There we go. And you can even underline that if you would like to. And the cool thing about this is you can even copy and paste this from your form, like from your paper form. So we will go ahead and bold that. And because I took this from somebody else, I'm not going to take the whole thing because I did actually take that from somebody else. So I'm just showing you. You can come here. You can even bold these like this. Just showing you guys some of what you could do. And so you can, that's your cancellation policy. Then go ahead and click Next. And here you're going to see a screen and it says your contact information. And you're going to see first name, last name, street address, and so on. And so the cool thing about this is the ones that are locked, these are the questions that you don't have to answer. You don't have to input over and over again, right? Because we're going to ask these for you automatically. So you can't change that. But if you wanted to add a question to the Your Contact Information section, just hit Add a Question. And let's say we wanted the mobile phone. And we're going to make that a long answer. You have three choices, right? Multiple choice. Choose one. Short answer or long answer. I'm going to do long answer. And you can make the response required or not. And you can do this under each section. You can also show and hide things. So as an example, if you wanted their employment status, you could do show, or if you didn't. If you wanted to collect secondary contact information, you can do that as well. Press Next. And now we're at the health info. So again, you can include these or not. Reason for visit, same, show or hide. And then these are all the conditions that are defaulted to show. And once you're done, hit Submit, and you have created your intake form. You could go ahead and preview this. And as you can see, it did add the phone number there and the secondary contact information. And you can just look at what the form will look like, because this is what your customers will fill out, or your clients, the conditions. And then this is the policy that I showed you that they have to agree to and sign. And when they press Submit, this becomes a part of their profile. So everything is all in one place.